Hello students, I am Vipul Mittal, and in this session I will discuss what is an applicable financial reporting framework. But before we discuss applicable financial reporting framework, let's discuss what is a financial reporting framework. Now, financial reporting framework is a set of criteria that you use for preparing financial statements. So it is a set of criteria, set of principles, guidelines, rules that you use for preparing financial statements. What set of rules you are using for preparing financial statements? You have various different set of rules for preparing financial statements. You have US GAAP, one set of rules, one set of criteria. You have IFRS, another set of criteria for preparing financial statements. You have Indian GAAP. So financial reporting framework is a set of criteria that you use for preparing financial statements. So it could be US GAAP or IFRS. Now, what is applicable financial reporting framework? This is the framework that is adopted by management. Now, the question is, what financial reporting framework management is using to prepare the financial statements? Whether management is using US GAAP to prepare financial statements or management is using IFRS to prepare financial statements. What framework management is using to prepare financial statements? That is the framework that is adopted by management in preparing the financial statements. Also, applicable financial reporting should be acceptable or is required by laws or regulations. So sometimes laws and regulation require you to prepare financial statements using a specific financial reporting framework, a particular financial reporting framework, and you should be using that financial reporting framework to prepare the financial statements. Or this framework should be acceptable considering the nature of the entity and the objective of the financial statements. So it should be acceptable. Now, when we say applicable financial reporting framework, it is a framework that is adopted by management and should also be acceptable or is required by laws and regulation. So a financial reporting framework that is adopted by management and is acceptable or is required by laws or regulation, that is applicable financial reporting framework. All right, students, we'll connect again. Goodbye.